The MewMore WH20 whole house water filter housing is designed to fit 20 inches by 4.5 inches sediment filters, ensuring a comprehensive filtration solution for both well and city water. Its impressive sealing capabilities, supported by a pressure relief button, double O-ring, and brass thread port, work together to prevent water leaks even with extended use. Constructed from high-flow reinforced polypropylene, this blue filter housing is resistant to corrosion and water pressure, adhering to food-grade safety standards and being free from lead and BPA. Installation is straightforward with the included heavy-duty steel mounting bracket, wrench, and screws, and the pressure relief button simplifies cartridge changes. For those seeking a customizable water filtration system, this housing allows for DIY setups with the option to mount several units in parallel for enhanced filtration. This versatile filter housing is compatible with all universal standard 4.5-inch by 20-inch filter cartridges, offering flexibility in choosing the best filter for your needs.